The weather for recording is not so nice now, but you can also see some other ponds. We presented the right one as a control, and this one would be experimental pond with the Daphnia grazing in a stationary phase of growth, and the next one would be also experimental one with Daphnia grazing in exponential growth rate, when we are going to search for the specific growth phase when Daphnia would be introduced. Now we have 4 ponds here at the same very place, and these 4 ponds would be repeated in a region which is very near, behind the house there. We also have 4 ponds there, and the 4 ponds would be also created in a few kilometers in this region. So we will have triple 4 ponds for the proving of this idea. All the results, all the samples would be taken from these 4 ponds, and the same thing in twice 4 ponds in a very near place in this region. These days we will take the samples from all of these 12 ponds, and the samples would be taken from the sediments here in order to check whether some cyanotoxins are accumulating. I have technical problems. In order to check whether some cyanotoxins are at the bottom of the fish pond left from last summer, last fishing year. It would be something like zero situation concerning the presence of toxins inside the 12 ponds. It would be taken maybe next week, and then just before the filling up the ponds in early spring. But before watering the ponds, we will do all the adaptation what we have planned in our project proposal. And again, the vehicle, which would be very different in a near future. Applicant and consultant here. It's very cold now, so we are going to have some tea.